epic crossroads right now, guys. It's either moon or doom, I believe. There's no other way. There's no in between at this point in time. So let us try to investigate what's oncoming. Right, the riddlers are kind of activated right now. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having amazing. XRP is around $2.44. Good news. Let us keep going higher, hopefully. Now, why are you afraid? Why? Because of the uncertainty of the future? Right? Didn't they say, since the dawn of time, be not afraid? The riddlers have always stated, it is not intended to be used as financial advice, XRP that is, but XRP to be used, right? XRP will be used in the new financial system, guys. It's literally guaranteed. I'm sorry, don't listen to me, right? This isn't financial advice, but if you can't see it, the proof is in the pudding. Just search for it. No, never mind, it's in plain sight, right? What these people love to do is literally put it in plain sight, but people can't even see the obvious because of the veil, guys. Okay, so this isn't financial advice. Do not be afraid of whatever is coming, happening. We just have to endure through all the obstacles, through the suffering, right? And persevere, guys. That was the main, or one of the main messages of the riddlers, right, from the bear. So let's talk about what's incoming, because maybe a bunch of stuff could all happen at the same exact time. Now, guys, there's the fun part of XRP Net, XRP community. Now, does this go? Wait, interesting. Mr. Pool, the end is coming. 721. Could it perhaps come out to what, 3.7? I don't know, but the end is coming, guys. Right? Look at this. 3.13 hide, 3.6 right here. Right? Now, 3.13 is the day before the warm full moon, supposedly as well. Prepare for major volatility, guys. This is the year of the what? The snake. The snake moves like what? Right? That's what? That's volatility, guys. Literally, volatility. This is the year of volatility. So be very, very, very careful out there. Now, Cryptomaniac. This person right here, guys, Mr. Pool, follow him. Right? Right here. Look at that. Followers, you know, Mr. Pool and Big Short. So two main riddlers follows this account. And look what he stated right here. So he's pointing us towards this month events, March events from Cryptomaniac. March 4th, today, Donald Trump addresses to Congress, guys. Okay, or address to Congress. Now, that happened supposedly, I think by the time I upload this video, I don't know. Now, March 6th, CFTC Forum on Tokenized Assets. That's all good news, guys. But look at this. This is what is important, it seems as. March 7th, White House Crypto Summit. Okay, why is that important? Well, let's investigate. Remember, March 7th. Okay, March 7th, White House Crypto Summit. Now, the guy who longed 200, so supposedly somebody longed $200 million worth of crypto right before Trump's strategic reserve announcements. He just changed his name to March 7th, right? So supposedly it was a different name, guys. But this is definitely an insider, okay? He changed his name to March 7th. Now, March 7th is when the White House Crypto Conference is. Look at that. And you know what's even crazier? Well, Howard Moon on March 7th, 2020 posted this. The best form you could be is a full moon and then the half moon. He's all right, but the full moon is the famous moon. And then 3/4. No one gives an S about him. When he does come 2 days in to the calendar month, he's useless. Full moon, the main moon. Interesting. Now, talking about some type of half moon, guys, March 6th right here. There is 100% a moon date, okay? There's 100% a moon date. We just have to crack the code on when. I'm going to be talking about that in just a second, wait. But there's a bunch of stuff happening again. Now, here comes March 21st. SEC holds its first crypto roundtable. A roundtable, you say? For what? Cryptocurrencies? Guess what? From the bear, a round table, right? An insider club. But wait a minute. Wait, because Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is on the list to attend the White House Crypto Summit this Friday. Seems to be within that sort of club, right? Which is very important, guys. Even though this happens March 21st, and supposedly this other event happens on the 7th, guys. But look at this. The knight points towards who? Brad Garlinghouse. Okay, leading the way. Remember the North Star with the sword, guys. Now, the White House is going to hold a crypto summit this week, and the news was talking about the crypto reserve, right? So here is the cryptocurrency of the United States of America reserve, guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. But supposedly they stated XRP first. But wait a minute. This person prophetically predicted that 5 major cryptos would be the pillars of all cryptos. And wasn't this the same person who predicted that XRP will be at a very high price once upon a time as well? Right, so let's see what he has to say.
Whenever I'm talking about the 5 pillars, I saw 5 pillars, 5 major cryptocurrencies that will be the pillars of all the crypto. Okay, there'll be 5. There's 3 that are very strong, and there's 1 that's the strongest. So I saw 1 in the middle, 2 on the side of them.
That's literally BG123's castle scene, right? 1 in the middle, XRP, 1 on the side, 1 on the side. Right, but one was USD and the other was Bitcoin, right? Though USD isn't on this list, but that's quite interesting.
And then it goes 2 more over like this, and then they were standing each one like a pillar, like one of those Greek columns, Roman columns that look like a solid, like a granite, like a rock column. And there were support systems on the columns. The Holy Spirit showed me support systems on these columns, which were other cryptocurrencies that will line up with the function of those main ones. And there was probably like 5 or so. I don't know. I'm trying to, because each one in the vision when I was looking at it, it looked like some of them had a little bit more than others. But there was only they were helping with the function of that main coin. Okay, and they propped it up. So it was like it was propping it, was helping it stand up. But then I saw like falling stars. All the other cryptos that were not had a real function, that were just kind of like scams, what I want to say, they started falling like stars, and it looked like internet code, and they were falling all down, and they didn't exist anymore. So there were literally thousands.
Wait a minute, we literally called first the what? We literally stated it, guys. Hold on a minute. The riddlers, the bear stated coins will disappear. Right, coins will get destroyed, guys, because of the ritual. Again, the time of the collapse. Right, Brad Garlinghouse said 99% will have to go because there's so many coins that are useless. Hey, maybe one day I'm going to make my own coin too, but hopefully it has an actual function, which I'm planning on something unique. Hopefully, I don't know, but maybe that's in the future.
Thousands of them that seemed like in the vision that disappeared. I don't know what happened to them, but then I heard regulations. Governmental regulation.
Guys, we literally called it. I'm gonna explode. Listen. Regulations has to happen around the same time as a collapse. When they disappear, a lot of people will lose a lot of money. Everyone will call for what? Regulations. Interesting. Remember when XRP fell from 77 cents to 17 cents due to the SEC attacking Ripple, right? And what the people were so upset at the SEC, it's going to be turned around, right? The opposite. People will be upset at the crypto companies, right? The people, the founders, these people who created these coins, and they're going to call upon regulations. So this is all literally a timeline. It seems that, I mean, we literally cracked code years ago, right? I knew it. We were 589 steps ahead. Nobody believed.
I saw bills being passed to make it stable because I heard Wild West, like it was the Wild West, and it was bringing laws into motion to protect investors so that they would not be scammed.
We called it.
That makes sense. They were going to regulate it and put laws around it. And then I saw old money, the elderly people that were big money, starting to put their money in it because they felt safe. Because at the time, right now, it's like the Wild West. There's not really any laws or anything around it. It doesn't seem.
Yep. But exactly, when they put their money in, it'll probably be too late. The wealthy, the elites are actually flooding and siphoning their money out of different things and into cryptos before the day of the new financial system switch, right? Now, look at this. This makes even more sense that now XRPs will be included in the crypto strategic reserve. Basically, Banksy said we'll have gold that you could teleport into any vault in the world instantly. What could that be, right? XRP is like gold in your hands. It's designed to be the most liquid, and liquid is literally the most important thing ever, right? Liquidity for money to move around, there needs to be a lot of liquidity, right? That you would have to drown in, guys. But before the day of the collapse, before the day of the new financial system, let's just say not the collapse, but the new financial system, wait. The ship sails out of the storm soon. Then the journey begins in earnest. 2025 is going to be wild for XRP. Buckle up, right? So where are we on the scene? Which scene are we on, guys? I don't know, right? I honestly don't know. Supposedly some are saying that we could still be within the storm, which I think we are. I think we're still not out of the storm, though it may seem so because XRP has risen in price, but has it mooned to 4 digits? No. I'm guessing it's what? We're within the storm, right? Now, ever notice in the Mr. Pool XRP rising end of the storm video where a date flashed up at the end, right? Hey, look, XRP flashes at the end of the storm. December 3rd, but that's when the storm begins. Or was it March 15th? They said March 15th the storm begins, guys, right? The Ides of March or something. Backwards comes out, this date backwards comes out to 3/21. Again, this month, quite interesting. Now, Babacugs said it, guys. Okay, so here's a game plan. I just want to throw this out. Listen, I really want to find out the moon date and crack the code, right? There is. Babacugs stated there's a moon month. Right now, the date there probably is as well. Maybe separate dates. I know we could find it, guys. What I need is somebody probably has it. I need all of Mr. Pool's, maybe even the Bears tweets, right? An archive of it, like a file. I think Fojack has it. I'm not sure, but whoever has it, please DM me, because I'm going to try to connect the dots and try to figure some stuff out. But Babacugs said it. He was the first to solve it. I was the second. XRP moons 9/22/13. March is the 13th month, right? 9 equal to 25. And XRP moons 3/22 this month. I don't know, but let's see what Babacugs has to say.
Good morning, crypto Twitter. I just want to say one quick thing. No matter what, anyone here, I don't care who they are. I don't care who follows them. I don't care if they're important or not. I don't care if they're a billionaire. XRP moons 9/22. That's set in stone. It's been set in stone for a very long time.
Look at that. 9/22 is just 13. 9 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. XRP moons 13. 13. 1 plus 3 could be April 4. Simpsons. I don't know. I'm telling you, all these statements and phrases that they have stated lead towards the same outcome.
You've had the answer. I was the first one to solve it. I've been repeating it for a very long time, and nobody's opinion will ever change that. So when it happens, just remember that. Okay? And every riddle that is put out or you try to solve, it all comes down to the exact same thing again.
We just said that. Look.
22, 13. That's it. It's the answer for everything. You will never get another answer. That is the answer. But egos get in the way, so keep thinking that whatever you do is going to give you a different answer. It won't. XRP moons 9/22. Wish you all the best.
Okay, we know the answer, guys. XRP moons 13. 13, but what could that be? So it's definitely, guys, Babacugs stated that he was texted or messaged by the riddlers, right? So I believe in Babacugs of what he knows, supposedly. Now, XRP moon date, December equal 12, which is 3. The moon date it's right there, December 22nd. Okay, December's 3 comes out to 3, 2, 2. 2021 is 5. So 22 sun rays, 3 moons, 7:22 p.m. December, and then 7 is 25, 22, 3. Could it be? Right? Supposedly, there's a lot of dates, decodes pointing towards the 22nd of this month. Interesting. You know why that's odd? Because that's Skull and Bones. 322, 223. The SEC sued Ripple Labs starting on 12/22/2020. Right? 12/22. So 1 plus 2 is what? 322. Skull and Bones. XRP was ruled not a security on 7/13/23. Donald Trump received, that event that happened on 7/13/2024. 7/13/137 is the golden angle. 589 is the number used to represent XRP. Donald Trump equal 589 in Latin gematria, right? 589 comes out to what? 360. 360 minus 137 is 223 again. Whoa, that's ridiculous, guys, right? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Very amazing stuff. Very, very, very amazing stuff. Howard Moon reposted this, right? The hot air balloon ducks and stuff, duck talk. Interesting. The 64th day is tomorrow's date as well for Mr. Poole. The fountain for today's video, right at the end. Are we at the end? I sure hope so. No, on each device. I don't know, I'm getting excited, guys. We're going to crack this code, I promise. 13 it is. Now, on each device. But it was nice, so face me, see ya.